Hey everybody! Welcome to our exciting journey. Have you ever thought about visiting Buffalo, New York? This city is often overlooked, but it's a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. It's actually a really cool city with so much to offer. We're talking beautiful parks, amazing art, and a vibrant community that welcomes everyone. And let's not forget, it's home to one of the natural wonders of the world, Niagara Falls. The breathtaking views are simply unforgettable. So many people have been asking me to do a travel video, and I thought, why not Buffalo? It's a city full of surprises and hidden treasures. It's a city that's near and dear to my heart, and I have the best memories of visiting there. From childhood trips to recent adventures, Buffalo has always been special to me. Whether you're into art and culture, with its numerous galleries and theaters, or just want to enjoy some outdoor fun, like kayaking on the Buffalo River or playing in the parks, Buffalo has something for everyone. The city's diversity and welcoming spirit make it a perfect destination for all kinds of travelers. So buckle up, because we're about to take a virtual tour of the 10 best places to visit in Buffalo, New York. Get ready for an adventure you won't forget. First up, we have to talk about Niagara Falls. This iconic destination is one of the most famous waterfalls in the world, drawing millions of visitors each year. I mean, come on, it's Niagara Falls. The sheer magnitude and beauty of this natural wonder are simply unparalleled. You can't go to Buffalo without experiencing this natural wonder. It's a must-see for anyone visiting the area. The sheer power of the water cascading over the falls is just awe-inspiring. You can feel the ground tremble beneath your feet as the water roars down. And the views? Don't even get me started on the views. They're absolutely breathtaking. Whether you're there at sunrise, sunset, or any time in between, the scenery is always stunning. Make sure you take a ride on the Maid of the Mist boat tour. It's one of the best ways to experience the falls up close. You'll get up close and personal with the falls and feel that mist on your face. It's a refreshing and exhilarating experience. Trust me, it's an experience you won't forget. The joy and excitement on everyone's faces are a testament to the magic of Niagara Falls. Next, we're heading over to the Albright-Knox Art Gallery. If you're an art lover, this place is a must-see. They have an incredible collection of modern and contemporary art, with works by some of the biggest names in the art world. We're talking Picasso, Warhol, you name it. I could spend hours just wandering through the galleries, soaking up all the creativity. It's truly inspiring. Now, who doesn't love a good zoo? The Buffalo Zoo is home to a wide variety of animals from all over the world. You can see everything from lions and tigers to gorillas and polar bears. It's a great place to bring the whole family. The kids will love seeing all the animals, and you might even learn a thing or two yourself. Let's move on to Canalside, Buffalo's vibrant waterfront area. This place is hopping with activity, especially during the summer months. You can take a stroll along the boardwalk, rent a paddle boat, or just relax and enjoy the views of Lake Erie. They also have tons of events and festivals throughout the year, so there's always something going on. Calling all architecture buffs, you do not want to miss the Darwin D. Martin House. This architectural masterpiece was designed by the one and only Frank Lloyd Wright. The level of detail and craftsmanship is unbelievable. You can take a guided tour of the house and learn all about its history and design. It's truly a sight to behold. If you need a little dose of nature, head over to the Buffalo and Erie County Botanical Gardens. These gardens are absolutely stunning, with beautiful plant collections from all over the world. Take a leisurely stroll through the greenhouses, admire the colorful flowers, and just enjoy the peace and tranquility. Get ready to shop till you drop in Elmwood Village. This trendy neighborhood is known for its eclectic mix of boutiques, shops, and art galleries. You can find everything from vintage clothing to handmade jewelry to unique home decor. And hey, when you need a break from shopping, there are plenty of great restaurants and cafes where you can refuel. Calling all science enthusiasts. The Buffalo Museum of Science is a must-visit. They have interactive exhibits on everything from dinosaurs to space exploration to the human body. It's a great place to learn something new and have some fun at the same time. For a night of entertainment, check out a show at Shea's Performing Arts Center. This historic theater is absolutely gorgeous, and they host a variety of performances, including Broadway shows, concerts, and comedians. Get dressed up, grab some popcorn, and prepare to be entertained. Last but not least, we have Delaware Park. This sprawling park is the perfect place to escape the hustle and bustle of the city. Take a walk or bike ride along the scenic trails, rent a paddle boat on the lake, or just relax and enjoy the fresh air. They also have a golf course, tennis courts, and a playground, so there's something for everyone. So there you have it, folks. We've taken you on a whirlwind tour of Buffalo, New York, the 10 best places to visit in Buffalo, New York. From the bustling downtown to the serene parks, there's something for everyone. From natural wonders like Niagara Falls to cultural gems such as the Buffalo History Museum and the Albright-Knox Art Gallery, this city has it all. Don't forget to stroll through Delaware Park or enjoy the vibrant atmosphere at Canalside. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more travel adventures. Your support helps me bring you more exciting content. And be sure to let me know in the comments below what your favorite thing about Buffalo is, or if you plan to visit any of these amazing places. I love reading your comments and hearing about your travel plans. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.